Today, we're going to explore the world of health and learn some important English words about how our bodies work. Are you ready to dive in? Let's get started. Let's begin with cough. When we cough, it's like our body's way of clearing something from our throat. It might be a little tickle or irritation. Can you say, cough,
cough,
cough?
cough,
Next up is sneeze. When we sneeze, it's like a powerful achoo that comes out of our nose and mouth. It can happen when something irritates our nose. Can you say, sneeze,
sneeze,
sneeze?
sneeze,
When we don't feel well, we might get a fever. A fever means our body temperature is higher than normal, and it can make us feel warm and uncomfortable. Can you say, fever,
fever,
fever?
fever,
Now, let's talk about a headache. When our head hurts, we call it a headache. It can happen if we're tired or if we don't drink enough water. Can you say, headache,
headache,
headache?
headache,
Next up is a stomachache. When our tummy hurts, we say we have a stomachache. It can happen if we eat too quickly or if we eat something that doesn't agree with us. Can you say, stomachache,
stomachache,
stomachache?
stomachache,
Now, let's learn about chest pain. Sometimes people feel a discomfort or sharp feeling in their chest. It's important to tell an adult if you ever experience chest pain. Can you say, chest pain,
chest pain,
chest pain?
chest pain,
Next, an allergy is when our body reacts to something it doesn't like, such as pollen or certain foods. It can make us sneeze, have itchy eyes, or get a rash. Can you say, allergy,
allergy,
allergy?
allergy,
Sometimes we might get hurt. We call this an injury. It can be a cut, a bruise, or anything that doesn't feel good. Can you say, injury,
injury,
injury?
injury,
When we have an injury, we use a bandage to cover it. Bandages help protect our cuts and make them feel better. Can you say, bandage,
bandage,
bandage?
bandage,
Sometimes, when we're not feeling well, we take medicine. Medicine helps us get better when we're sick. But we should always take it as the doctor says. Can you say, medicine,
medicine,
medicine?
medicine,
Finally, a checkup is when we visit the doctor to make sure we're healthy. The doctor checks our heart, ears, and more. It's like a health report card. Can you say checkup?
Checkup.
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 Great job, little health detectives. Let's do a quick recap. Can you repeat after me? Cough.
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 Sneeze.
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 Fever.
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 Headache.
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 Stomachache.
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 Chest pain.
Chest pain.
Chest pain.
Chest pain.
Allergy.
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 Injury.
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 Bandage.
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 Medicine.
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 Checkup.
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 Great! You've learned some important words about our health today. Remember to listen to your body, eat well, and get plenty of rest. And if you ever don't feel well, don't hesitate to ask an adult for help. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. See you next time. Bye.